That's clean. It's Elgin Intensity, aka the Trapstech Warrior. A lot of people have been asking me the same question about this recent, especially idiotic blog post on the Russell's CrossFit blog. I won't link to it because those idiots never link to anything of mine, but it's called A 4-Year Degree versus a 2-Day Seminar by, let's call him Dumbass Douchebag. Now, Dumbass Douchebag went to a 4-year university in Texas where he studied exercise and sports sciences, or at least that's what he changed his major to. During that time, he learned as much as he could. He got the textbook knowledge down pat. But when he went to a CrossFit Level 1 seminar, I don't know why the fuck he'd want to go to one, he found that he didn't know how to deadlift. Now, he didn't play any sports, and he didn't even lift, so he was completely fucking useless. But during the seminar, he supposedly saw the light. He learned how to deadlift, he learned how to do those fucking abominations they call pull-ups, and he lived happily ever after, losing his gains and robbing people of theirs. While there are problems with the system that produces coaches and trainers, it's up to the future coaches and trainers to fill in the gaps in their education. This idiot didn't do that. He just did the assigned reading, he took the exams, did his homework, and thought, oh, I'm prepared to be a coach now. That's not how it works. When I was in law school,